Big Brother 27 has been filled with shocking twists, emotional breakdowns, and strategic betrayals, but perhaps nothing is more surprising than what recently came out of Will Williams' mouth. In a candid post-eviction interview that has sent shockwaves through the fandom, Will finally admitted who he really would have taken to the final two if he had won the last head of household competition. For weeks, fans debated whether Will was loyal to his closest ally or simply playing everyone to keep his own game afloat. Now the truth is out, and it paints a very different picture of one of the season's most talked about players. Will, who quickly became known as a charming but unpredictable competitor, built strong bonds with multiple house guests throughout the summer. His social game made him one of the most likable players in the house, but it also created confusion about where his real loyalty lay. Many fans assumed his number one ally was Jordan, with whom he shared late-night strategy sessions, whispered promises of safety, and a final two handshake that was never officially exposed on the live feeds. Others believed Will's heart was with Michelle, a strong competitor who seemed to carry him during key weeks when his back was against the wall. But in his latest reveal, Will shocked everyone by confessing that neither of those names was who he intended to sit next to in the finale. According to Will, the person he truly wanted to take to the final two was someone that fans had long overlooked, Rachel, the quiet but calculating player who rarely made headlines during the game but consistently managed to stay safe week after week. Will explained that his bond with Rachel was deeper than most people realized. Everyone thought I was just using Rachel as a shield, but the truth is, I respected her game, Will admitted. She played under the radar, but she was always thinking 3 steps ahead. If I had won the final I was going to cut whoever I had to and take Rachel with me to the end. This revelation immediately set the Big Brother community ablaze. Social media platforms erupted with fans debating whether Will's plan was smart or downright foolish. Some argued that taking Rachel would have guaranteed Will an easier win since she had not built as many jury relationships as he had. Others countered that Rachel's subtle strategy and ability to survive without ever being a major target could have made her a sleeper threat who might have swept the jury votes. Either way, Will's confession adds an entirely new layer of complexity to how fans view his overall game. Inside the house, Will had often presented himself as a loyal soldier to whoever was in power. When Michelle controlled the game, he pledged loyalty to her. When Jordan made a big move, Will claimed he was on board. His adaptability was both his greatest strength and his biggest weakness. Jury members repeatedly questioned whether Will had any original strategy of his own, or if he simply rode coattails until it was too late. By revealing that Rachel was his true intended partner, Will may have finally proven that he had a long-term plan all along, one that was simply hidden beneath layers of social maneuvering. Rachel herself, who is still in the game, may have been completely unaware of Will's intentions. On live feeds, she was often seen worrying about her placement in the hierarchy, convinced she would be cut before the final 3. She built bonds with multiple house guests but never seemed certain of her standing. Will's post-game comments now confirm that she was, at least in his mind, the safest bet for a trip to finale night. If Rachel makes it to the final two without Will, his reveal could suddenly shape how the jury and fans perceive her game. One of the most intriguing aspects of Will's confession is the timing. With the season racing toward its conclusion, the jury is already deliberating on how to award the $750,000 prize. By openly admitting his true plans now, Will may be attempting to influence how the jurors view the remaining house guests. If Rachel makes it to the end, Will's words could serve as an endorsement of her subtle strategy, potentially swaying bitter jurors who might otherwise vote against her. On the flip side, some jurors could see Will's reveal as proof that Rachel was being carried by others, thus hurting her chances. Longtime Big Brother analysts have weighed in on Will's strategy. Some argue that his choice of Rachel as a final two partner was brilliant because she lacked the kind of flashy resume that typically wins over a jury. Others argue that Rachel, despite her quiet demeanor, may have been underestimated all season and could have delivered a strong final speech to sway votes. Will's gamble reflects the eternal dilemma in Big Brother. Do you take someone you can beat or someone you truly respect as a player? Fans also pointed out that Will's loyalty to Rachel sheds new light on several puzzling moves earlier in the season. At one point, Will subtly campaigned to save Rachel from the block when most of the house wanted her gone. At another, he threw a competition that allowed Rachel to survive another week. At the time, these moves were dismissed as random or situational, but now, in hindsight, they seem to have been part of a larger plan to protect her for the long haul. The reveal also raises questions about how different the endgame could have looked if Will had not been evicted. Had he secured that final hope, Rachel may have found herself sitting in the final two regardless of her own competition record. Fans are now left wondering whether Will's absence will make it easier or harder for her to get there on her own. Some argue that without his shield, Rachel is more vulnerable than ever. Others believe that Will's words may cast her in a more favorable light, giving her newfound respect among both fans and fellow house guests. For Will, this revelation also helps reshape his legacy within the game. While some still see him as a floater, others now credit him with having a long-term vision. Big Brother history is filled with players who kept their true endgame plans hidden until it was too late. But Will's decision to reveal his cards after eviction gives fans a rare glimpse into the mind of a player who may have been more calculating than anyone realized. Whether Rachel can capitalize on this revelation remains to be seen. If she makes it to finale night, she now has an additional talking point for her jury speech. She can argue that her social bonds were strong enough that even a major player like Will wanted to sit next to her in the final two. On the other hand, opponents may use Will's words to claim that Rachel was never seen as a threat, which could undercut her ability to win the game. As Big Brother 27 barrels toward its dramatic conclusion, Will's bombshell ensures that fans will be debating his strategy long after the season ends. The final two is still up for grabs, and the jury's decision will ultimately define this season's legacy. But one thing is clear. Will Williams' true intentions have forever altered how fans view the journey of not just himself, but also Rachel and the rest of the final three. Big Brother thrives on secrets, lies, and unexpected twists, and Will's reveal is a reminder of why the show has captivated audiences for more than 2 decades. Sometimes the biggest moves are never made inside the house, they're revealed afterward, changing the narrative in ways no one could have predicted. Whether Rachel wins or falls short, Will's words will echo as one of the most talked about revelations of the season. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.